Low Builds here, back with another video. Me working on my 2008 Ram Dodge 2500 Cummins 6.7. I'll be doing the alternator. I did the batteries like maybe last week, and the voltage just keeps going down and down and down. So alternator's not working properly. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Banks intake off, at least just this part, so I can get in there easier. And then other thing while I'm doing that, I'm gonna take the batteries, disconnect them, and make sure I'm not gonna get zapped. Alright, so we got the batteries disconnected, nothing touching. We got the intake off. Now we're going to get into the brackets off, alternator out. Pretty simple and quickly. Alright, so as you can see, down in there is the tensioner pulley. I've got my breaker bar in there, and so you pull it, it's loose, spring tension, so it's pretty simple to get through. You just gotta get something in there. But yeah, it's right underneath the alternator, straight down, kind of a little to the right. Get that in there, get something to hold it there, and then you can get the belt off. Alright, so I took the box out, and then got my breaker bar all up into there, and now I can easily move it all the way, hold it, get this belt off. So before I take off the mounting bolts, I'm gonna unclip this here just in case if it does fall down or move, you know. And then I'll get to these mounting bolts, take it all off. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I got it out. I need to unplug this wire. So I'll take the cap off, and we'll just get to that. So, got the new one here. What I did was I threaded the bolt through and tap these bushings out a little bit because they were a little too narrow for it, so should be good to go now. Alright, got the new one in. It's all buttoned up. Sensors back in. And I also bought an extra belt just because might as well do it now while I'm here. So I'm gonna get this belt off and the new one on. Alright, so I got new belt in, which was kind of a struggle. Specifically between the crank pulley and the fan belt. You gotta really get it in there. It's a pretty tough spot, but if you just level it out, line it up, it's not too bad. And then I've got the alternator in there, hooked up, ready to go. And I've got the intake back on, and I'm gonna connect the batteries now and start her up. All right, batteries are hooked up. Let's go start this thing.